Okay, guys, welcome again to our YouTube channel, Grace Life UK. I'm gonna be reading the DXY, and this is gonna be a midweek recap on the DXY. So basically, last Monday I uploaded a video in regards to the market outlook, and then I normally would read DXY and sort of predict what this week it's gonna look like. And then on a Wednesday night, I upload right after the market closes a video just to go over what happened for the past 2 days. So here it is, guys. If you have any comments, suggestions, or anything that you would like me to look at, drop a comment, message me, follow me on Instagram, follow me on our Discord channel, Trading 618, and there you go. Without further ado, let's go to our chart. Hopefully you can see it is okay. There you go. So bold predictions last Monday. We wanted to see DXY started its run going up just to mitigate these imbalances. So these blue areas are called imbalances, or it's what we call imbalances. So any areas where 3 candles are not touching their wicks, or it's leaving a gap, so we normally highlight them, and then we always know that these are, or the market loves to come back and mitigate these imbalances. As you can see here, the first one has been mitigated, and DXY reacted to it very hard, so to say. That indicates that GBP/USD went up, NZD/USD went up, AUD/USD went up, EUR/USD went up, and this one probably went down. Yeah, there you go. So, and obviously, your GBP is still a sell. So we were actually in this sell last night from this area. I think, sorry, if I'm not mistaken, we entered somewhere. I think 4 hours better. There you go. I think we entered here 70%, and then we TP'd here, so 80 pips we got from Dxy, so that was a good sell. Anyway, we go back to this. So quick video, just to recap this. We're still on the buys in terms of the US pairs, so that's what we are predicting anyway. So far it has reacted so much so to our first level that I just think anyway, if this continued to be bearish and push down, so if I go to the 4R to these lower areas, so I mentioned in the Monday video that they would love to hit these areas, and probably this blue line is kind of like the last area that they would want to fill in. And actually in this blue line, there's an imbalance here on the 4R. So if I just highlight that, so this candle and that blue line right there, that's a gap in the market that probably DXY would want to fill in. So I would probably extend this TP or take profit or target line and just below that. Don't get me wrong, they may not fill that imbalance, because on the daily there's actually no imbalance. It's just pure like liquidity, in terms of a big pool of liquidity here, like money, buy stops and whatnot, stop losses. So the market would probably want to correct that. And so yeah, so my prediction, hopefully we can get this right. So first, if during Asian session they would go down to this level, then it will retrace hard to this area, either here or here, before we can continue on reading the DXY. Unless that happens, the second tendency for this would be that they would retest now, or even here, probably here, or second level, third level, before dropping down. So it could be that they would want to climb up here, or here, and then drop here. So that's like kind of like the two tendencies that we're aiming anyway. But definitely, if you were able to capitalize on the first level, which I sent out on Monday, I said that if they touch and fill this imbalance, we can get an entry, and then most likely for a buy, obviously. So if I go to the GBPSD, because of that, earlier on, we were able to get in a buy, and I think I was, yeah, 1000. We had a lot of entries here actually. We got topped out at some point, but eventually it moved up and we got topped out again. And yeah, break even. Pretty much. NZDUSD, I don't have any like entries on this one because it's just bullish. Like it's a moving train. You don't want to be jumping on a moving train. You're gonna get wrecked. So regardless if it's bullish and you're very sure that it's bullish, don't be jumping on it because you're gonna ruin your trading plan. And what happens is you're gonna create a habit of jumping on these moving candles, or what I call moving train. And yeah, that's not a good idea, guys. Just imagine that. That's the logic behind it. Anyway, this one is actually turning really, really good. That is probably kind of like the last TP if you were able to enter during New York session this morning or this afternoon. So there you go. Pretty much very easy. Like this created a higher high, retest, and bang. Pretty much that's our whole strategy right there. Look for the lowest point, look for the highest point where it created a new high, and then fib that when it starts to drop, and then wait for either 61, and in this case 70 is the better entry because of this. Yep, this candle on a 1 hour, and then obviously that's the 1 p.m. candle right there. So 70 or 78 would have been a better entry aside from 61. But if you were able to enter on the 618, you'd have been still in a very good position to make a 3-to-1 ratio. So let's just say you maxed it out. 25 pips stop loss. And where is it now? Yeah. So nearly 70. So if it's 75, then that's your 3-to-1. Done. Euro USD. This one, I think the guys in the Discord were able to capitalize on this. Although I was very there you go. I was kind of like certain about this trade because of this formation. This candle was your institutional candle. There was an imbalance here that needed to be filled. Market came. If you look on to the lower time frame, that is an 8 a.m. Candle during the London session. So they came back down, touch it, and then fly back up. So if you have any questions, guys, by the way, about how I'm reading these formations and how I'm reading the entries, you're more than welcome to join our Discord channel. It's called Trading 618. And follow me on Instagram, drop me a message, hook me up. If I'm available, I'm just gonna reply anyway. But definitely take advantage of this video. It's free, you don't need to pay. But come on, give me a like, and comment down below whatever you think you don't understand, and if there's any areas that you would want me to look at, any pairs, definitely interact. And yeah, I would try my best to look at them for you. There you go. DXY, as I said, two tendencies. It may break this, and that means we forget the whole trading plan, which is we were waiting for them to come back here or come up to 618, 70, 78 areas before we fully commit for buying these four pairs, major pairs. But if that breaks and push down to this area, that would be a different setup, because that means that it's now gonna be a, like an uptrend. What I mean by that, so I go to the weekly just so we know how I'm reading this. This is the whole weekly formation. Basically, it already created this formation of break of structure, and now it's retesting. So if I actually fib this, probably switch this, so from here, and then if I go up here, that's now in the area where I think if they don't go lower than the 4R imbalance, and they would let's just say they would react to it hard going up and break this area. So this would be the first sign. If they break this area, and then if they break this second one, and they potentially fill in this imbalance, that means DXY is going to be potentially bullish. It may react to this area, drop down, or fully going up, but definitely, yeah, that's one thing that we need to watch out. But if this continue to go down, break this blue line, and then break this other blue line, there you go, then we're in for a good treat. That means DXY is fully or has fully committed and tanking the market to mitigate all these areas. So watch out for this. What can I say, guys? Wednesday night. Have a good week. Enjoy the rest of the week and enjoy the rest of the weekend. See you again on Sunday or Monday. Peace.